See how many birds? Trillions. See the clearing path that Morgan made? Well, they're starting to fill it back in. Me and Morgan must slowly approach these birds and tell them to move. Go, Morgan, go.
Like that movie, The Birds.
This is the movie, The Birds. Per Morgan and Chad. Oh, so many birds! So many birds! Ah!
Let them fly away.
Look how many birds, everybody. Look at all the birds. Look at all the birds. Oh my god, they're all back again. We need to get in a parking spot. Ah, look how many birds. Ah, so many birds. They're crazy. Crazy birds. Crazy. Crazy birds. These birds are freakishly nuts. We're the only crazy fucks out here driving through Bird Valley. Meet the birds of Randall's. These are the Randall's birds. Alright, we must go get something to eat now. The attack of the white car. People are scared to go to their car. I'd be scared to go to my fucking car if I were these people.
Shit. And you know blackbirds always attack me. Food time. Woo!
Clunk, 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 clunk. Oh my god, I think we ran over a 14. I can't tell because they're crazy. Look at these crazy birds are flying.
Look, they're making the cart move.
Oh my god, see what trickery they're pulling? Look at that bird pushing that cart. Ah, these birds are crazy. And now, to Jack in the Box we go. Jack in the Box, Jack in the Box, Jack in the Box.
Alright, turn it off so we don't waste too much time.